Hi there. Here's a quick morning routine that I do every morning to get my body moving. Okay, so when you sleep, obviously there's things that can stiffen up and tighten up. And what we want to do is get the kind of energy flowing. We want to get blockages released. We want to get things that are tight loose. And so a simple way to do that is using some ancient Chinese practices. And the first one is called a spinal opener. Okay, so with the spinal opener, I'm coming over and I'm tucking my chin to my chest. Okay, and I'm arching my back, and I go deep down so I can feel it in my hamstrings. And I go down, and then I'm going to inhale as I come up, and I'm going to open all the way back. And so everything is just arched and shoulders are back, opening that up, looking up at the sky. And then I'm exhaling back down. Tuck the chin, back is arched. You can feel that in your low back opening up, and then do it again. Just do this for a series. Breathe in and out. Just opening up the spinal cord. As you can feel, opening up other pieces as well. Shoulders, arms, ribs, my low back, hamstrings, down in my calves. Just do it nice and slow. Getting that motion going. Let's do one more. Okay, come up. Now, we did the kind of front and back on the spine, so now we want to go side to side. So this is a simple hip twisting, okay? Just keep your arms loose, your head goes with you, try to look to the back, and just move gently, flowing. Again, now we're getting our spine side to side, opening up our hips. Also, this is working in the shoulders, upper back. Nice and slow, just breathing. Very good. All right, now we're going to continue that, but we're going to do a little bit of body tapping with that. So place your hand just as below your collarbone and on your kidney on the other side in the back, and then we're going to flop and we're tapping those as we move. Just tapping our body. Tapping our body, key spots. This is the kidneys in the back and a pressure point up below your collarbone. Just stimulating circulation. So, your body sends more blood to where it's being stimulated. So just getting that going. Open that up. Yeah, just let it flow. Arms are loose when they're down, and then they just slap, tap above there. Couple more. We'll be done with these. All right. Feel your body just waking up, loosening up a little bit. All right. So the next one is called a heart opener. All right. And it's simply a crossed and back, and then we flip the arms the other side and back. Okay. So when we go back, that's opening up our chest. And I bend my knees just a little bit with this. Breathe. Rhythm with it. It's called a heart opener. Opening up that chest. Getting our knees and legs moving just a touch. You can do 20, 25, 30 of those. Open up that body a little bit. All right, very good. Shake it out. Okay, and I want you to do that. Okay, so we're going to go, hands are up on our heels and drop. This is actually helping open up your lymph system, your armpits. And the heel strike, it's just opening up that chain. We're just doing a little jarring movement that can help loosen up all of our bones, vertebrae. Breathe. Exhale on the way down. Okay, now 2 more. And so the next one is just a little more of an aggressive heel strike by doing simply hops. My arms are loose. I'm just up on my toes and I'm just hopping. Everything's loose. Okay. This little movement uses gravity to just move things in our body. You know, a millimeter here, a millimeter there. Loosening them up can help them get back into place, can open up fascia, stimulates our body. I mean, we all know the jumping rope is good for us, right? Basically, what we're doing here without the rope, just hops. Let your shoulders be loose, they're going up and down. Okay, we want that jarring motion. Our shoulders, our heels. We're just putting things back in place using gravity on the hops. And good. Very good. All right, maybe you feel some tingling. That's great. Some energy moving in your body. Final one is just some tapping. Again, bringing circulation to key parts in our body. So let's start up here below that collarbone again. Tapping. Just breathe. Go to the back of the shoulder. You can go down your arm, the top of it. Hand back up inside. Let's get that armpit. We're going to loosen up the lymph system. Loosen that up. Down into the rib. On my left side, so I'm going to get my spleen in there. And let's start the other side. That collarbone. Yeah, tapping that. Oh, that's not too loud on my microphone there. That's close. Let's go to the back of the shoulder. Down that arm. Up that arm. To that armpit. This is a key spot to get going. Key spot. We can boost our immune system by opening up our lymph system, making sure it's not clogged. I mean, things that can clog it, I mean, just tightness, tension, but, you know, even some of the foods we eat, things we take in. Okay, go down into that rib. Now let's get our liver and move around to the back, right above your waistline to your kidneys. Just tap that. Open that up. I like to go down below my waistline then into my psoas. This is going to be a tight spot. Just tapping that psoas region. Whew. Feel that there. Yeah. And we're winding down. That's opening up our body in the mornings, getting things moving. Just like to get that going, get those arms moving, all right? That is a morning routine that you can do. That is a flow movement to get things unstuck circulation moving, energy flowing. Hopefully feel a difference now between when you started and where you're at. Hopefully head clear, body more relaxed and energized at the same time. Okay, so follow along for more, but that's a morning routine that you can do daily, and doesn't have to be just in the morning. There you go.